Oh my god.
Finally, we're going to strip the bike. What am I doing first then?
I normally start with the lights.
What, these?
Yeah. Hi guys, so when we start the bike and we strip the electrics, it's always a good idea to take photos of everything, label parts, etc. We're not really sure what we're doing as far as electrics on this one yet, whether we'll re-loom it or use the originals, but none of the wires actually correspond, so you'll have a blue wire with a red wire, so that's why we take photos, because you never know.
Wow.
Nice spacer.
Up there.
Oh, just chuck them in the bin. That's gash.
Your gash.
Your gash. Your bike's gash.
No, it's not.
Your bike's
Comes
rubbish.
With, look, mine comes with other extras. Just because you're jealous.
They're not even stainless.
Just because you're jealous. You don't have so many washers on yours.
That's it. Pull it. Oh my god, look at that. There's not much left.
That's pretty.
Yeah, take that off.
Most useless piece of plastic ever.
It's not, is it? It's the air filter housing.
Now what?
Rear lights.
Can you move the bike?
Yeah, we'll turn it around. Right, they're spinning independently, aren't they? Chain adjusters.
Right, that's on.
Nice and loose.
Then I need this one.
Yep, that's the main one.
Where's that?
That's going to be.
That's big. Too big.
24 to 22. So you need some weird, obscure imperial size. Or the one size that fits all.
Oh, look at him. How do I?
Just keep going.
But I can't.
Unclip it and then
Ow.
go. Squeeze that bit.
What bit?
That bit. That's it.
Where's the other side?
It's literally just like here.
Where? Where?
Right, and then there's this one here, okay? Which is the swing arm bolt. That's a big one. Go on.
Oh my god.
Heave.
Oh god. No, no, near me.
Heave.
I can't.
Right, here you go.
You'll have to do that one. Here comes the expert.
Well, that was tight.
See? Oh, scared the bejesus out of me.
Right, so we need to take those front two off now. Make sure they're like off.
Off how? Oh god.
Proper mechanic.
Shut your face. Neighbours will be logging on.
Logging on.
Make sure you're on your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I wonder what those two idiots are doing all the time.
She was on the floor. You kept
It's not
filming her.
OnlyFans.
Oh, I wonder. I wonder if they're on that OnlyFans thing.
That's an impact driver. You're going to have to move.
Why? Oh.
Because you're sat right in the way. Oh, it's loose anyway. So much for that. Oh, I wanted to use it. Oh, I can't undo it. Just the thought of it scared it
Are you
into
recorded?
Yeah.
Right, took that one out.
Yeah. Right, so now we need to take the case off. So you want to take those.
This?
Yeah. Perfect.
Does it matter which one? Oh.
Oh my god.
Which way? That way?
No. Right, is it just rolling on it?
Is it rolling?
Right, there we go. See, you just need an extension bar.
Oh yeah.
Right, it sounds like it's spinning to me.
Possibly. How do I get some more?
Oh my god.
Have we got some more?
Listen.
Yeah, I know. Can peck and hear it.
Yeah, just get the one below it.
Which is...
The one that's smaller. The one in your right thumb. Probably somebody's just stuck an M8 in it or something. An M6. Yay! Perfect. Oh, right.
Fall and it hurt.
No bolts in the front then. Right, that's fine. Well, yeah, okay. Just want to do it all.
Oh, it's greasy. It's greasy as fun.
Greasy? Oh, greasy.
Greasy.
Just actually. 16ths. Yeah. 14 or 9/16. Literally every spanner. Every tool in the garage right now. That's weird. There we go. Right, this one's going to be tight. It's holding the engine in, okay? So don't... It's alright, just hold it. It's a bolt, just hold it.
Oh.
Right, now there will be the wiring coming out from the engine, which I believe is
Do I take this one off?
No, leave it. Right, so I think this is the engine wiring. So we're going to have to undo this to take a photo. Oh my god.
My phone's closer to you. I want a new one of these. Whatever this is.
Why?
What's this?
Why?
This rubbish shit now.
Yeah, but you should just that.
She got that.
I'm sorry.
Right, I take it because of that. Right, these look simple enough. Oh my god, what is that? Look at that beast, eh?
Mommy, babe.
Never mind your vape. Never mind your vape. Your peeps.
My beep.
That is an absolute beast. That's going in the box all of its own.
Right, what are we doing with all these things here?